Let's look at two-step equations with fractions and the numerator has a variable in it. So looking at these problems, the first thing I want to do is get this out of fraction form. I can do that by multiplying, and the reason I can multiply is this negative 9 is currently dividing that x minus 26. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by negative 9 on both sides. So now I have x minus 26 equals 5 times negative 9 is a negative 45. Once I'm here, I have a simple one-step equation. I can look at this number. It's that 26 is being subtracted from my variable. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So I add 26 to both sides. Bring down my x. Now, negative 45 plus 26, my signs are different. But I see that 45 is the greater number, so my answer is going to be negative, and I'm going to subtract. I'm going to borrow a number. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So my answer is x equals negative 19. Let's do another one to make sure you guys got the hang of it. We have x plus 4 in my numerator and negative 7 in my denominator. Again, to get rid of that negative 7, I'm going to do the inverse, which is multiply on both sides. If I multiply by negative 7, that cancels out. Negative 3 times a negative 7 is a positive 21 because a negative times a negative equals a positive. And I bring down my x plus 4. And now I just have a one-step equation. To get my x alone, I see that 4 is currently being added. So to do the opposite, I subtract 4 from each side. And I end up with x equals 17.